Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly get ahead with today's analysis. Today's weekend and the week has been eventful. In fact, as you can see, this is the daily chart of Nifty. We have kept on struggling from 18745 range to the lower range was 18547. Roughly this 200 points range throughout this week. So what we can see that basically the movement is upside. We are already moving up. These are higher highs and higher lows which are being formed. This last leg, as you can see, is having gaps. It was made with gaps, so that looks like buyers are also in good control, and there was some profit booking from couple of days which was going on. Now today there was again a good push from bulls. They tried to just took the prices up, but still there was some struggle going on, and it was not that one day or one-sided move. It was not one-sided move. So let's analyze this correction. As I have already done this channel a couple of days back, it is working quite well. So we are not sure that it is going to touch the channel. This may or may not be a possibility. So let's look at the possibility of what can we bring into the next week. So you see, this is 30-minute chart, and if you see, we broke a structure here, made a new structure low. So first thing we need to make sure that entire swing, which is this positive swing or upswing, this is still bullish. Inside this range, we are making corrections. Since this has broken the structure, that does not mean that the market has shifted in downtrend. Instead, it will only shift into downtrend on a medium term once this is broken. So this is our area which is 18200 around on futures chart. If it is broken decisively, then we will be shifting our trend from positive to negative. So let's analyze this thing, which is the correction part. So if you see lower low, lower high, lower low, and there was a big attempt today to break this particular low in the starting gap of the day, but it was not broken. After that, it was broken. If you see, this was broken in the later half of the day. That means the correction level has again shifted to uptrend. You see, this is the major trend in up, which is uptrend. Now, this has broken here. So this is also again coming into buy mode. So what do we do in this case? Let's look into this. We go to the 5-minute chart. Now we analyze this part. If you see, this was the low and now this is the high. Since first high has been made, which is the new structure high, any new low or new high which has been made after uptrend or downtrend, it will be most probably having a deeper correction. So if you see, entire swing is this one. From here to here, it broke this high. After that, this has given a big downside as well. In the later half of today, it has given big swing to the downside. And after that, there was a reaction, again a reaction. That means prices are just struggling to decide which way to go, having a positive bias. The bias is positive, but prices are just consolidating here and they are thinking to go upside. So what we have done, if you remember my previous video, I was thinking to go long somewhere around this area, but once price broke here, I think on 30 minutes it will be more easier. Yes, this was the area. Yesterday I was having long position from previous day, but once this structure was broken, I just went into the short move, keeping the stop loss in this area. This was my stop loss, and by the end of the day, it was profitable move. But in the opening session, it got stopped out. Once it got stopped out, then I was again having an impression that let's see what move is coming. In fact, I tried couple of things. So once there was a move below this, I shorted on the intraday level to cover in this area because it was having a very good support here. So I was thinking that it might not go below this. In fact, I just got out around this blue candle on 5-minute chart. So this was the another trade. And if you see, once I saw that this structure was broken in the later half, I just quickly put my Fibonacci tool here, entered somewhere around 18600. 18600, yeah, it was around 18600 on future chart. Another ad was around 18621 level. 18621 level, somewhere around here. Above this red candle, when it was able to go above this red candle, if you try to see this, once this was broken, I just went into another ad. After that, it quickly went into positive. Then again, it went into break even. Now, currently it is break even and I'm holding the position, hoping for a move to the upside. I think that the correction might be getting completed here. If you see, if you put the Fibonacci retracement tool, it is close to 38%. And what I feel that this was very good momentum trade or good momentum swing. So it would not retrace very deeper. So let's see if it is able to go this way. Our main trade will only be this. This is a flag or correction, and this will be our main trade. So just focus on this. Short trades here will be somewhat short term or intraday basis term trades. So our main trade is this one. We need to capture that one. So we'll be looking. There is already a buy position here. Let's see how well it goes into one day. And in case you have still not opened, the price is very good at very good juncture. Keep the stop loss here and just buy in this area 20 to 30, 18 6 20 to 30 area. That will be good. Okay, let's look at the stocks. We have already discussed the stocks. Max Ventures is again forming good congestion here, and I think once it breaks out, it will be getting very good move. So levels are already given. You can look to buy here. Morrison Renewables, again, this was the level of breakout, and once it touches 530, initiate a long, very small stop loss of 512. It has already provided. Nazara Technologies, I'm still thinking if it does not move one more day, then I'll be removing this stock before hitting the stop loss. Let's see. Either it gets our stop or we remove it. Triveni Turbine, I was thinking that it must give a breakout in this case. If you go to 30 minute, I think it is still not ripe. This area is still struggling. But what I was interested in was this thing. New low formed, lower high, and again a new low formed. This thing was broken here. I was expecting a deep correction, but there was no buy. I did not capture anything. So if it comes in this area, this, it is 388 or 385, then I think one can open a long position keeping the stop loss with 376. So that's what I was interested when I was looking the lower time frame of this chart. So you can also opt for that one. All right. Next one is JBM Auto. JBM Auto, it's again moving down, so I won't be interested. Leave this at this part. If there is a good setup, I'll be again looking into this. Maybe we can remove JBM Auto for now. Torrent Power. Yeah, this is good. I think this is a good setup. Buy around 569. Stop loss at 548. I think there was a momentum today. Let's see if it is able to break in the next trading session. This was a very good stock. In fact, I was just frustrated. Why didn't I capture this? In fact, this stock was on my radar, but just skipped. Alright, I was thinking to buy somewhere around here above this red candle, but since the trend has already moved on, still we can buy in this area. Buy around 297. Keep the stop loss close to 5%. Close to 5% of low of this big candle. I think this has potential to move rapidly. It has moved above all the resistance. I think after this consolidation, this is just preparing to move up 10-15% in couple of days. So this is a very good stock. Just have a watch on this one, Minda Corp. Alright, okay, these are the stocks which I think are having good setup and can deliver good returns in short span of time. Thanks for watching. If you have any confusion or any query, please do not hesitate to post in the comment section. I'll try to reply back. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.